Hello, I'm here. Let's talk about tuna. Now, tuna is one of my favorite go-to ingredients for healthy eating because it's convenient, and it's got more than twice the amount of protein per pound than lean beef. And the best part is that it's already cooked. All you have to do is open up the can, drain the water, and you're ready to go. It doesn't get any easier than that. In today's video, we're going to look at 5 ways to prepare tuna so you can enjoy its delicious flavor and high protein content. We'll use it in salads, sandwiches, and sushi. And along the way, we'll show you how to make your tuna taste even better with some simple tricks. Now, let me introduce you to my kitchen. As a professional chef and founder of a Center for Culinary Arts, I love to cook, and I love to share my passion for food with others. Join me on my channel for tips and techniques for making delicious, healthy meals. When it comes to choosing tuna, you have plenty of options. You can choose between canned tuna packed in water or oil, fresh tuna steaks, or even frozen tuna fillets. In this video, we'll focus primarily on canned tuna packed in water since it's the most convenient and affordable option. Canned tuna is also very versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes. So let's dive in. The first recipe is tuna salad. Now, this classic dish is a staple of many diets for good reason. It's easy to make, highly nutritious, and incredibly flavorful. The combination of creamy avocado, tangy red onion, juicy tomato, crunchy celery, and savory tuna is simply irresistible. To make tuna salad, start by combining 2 cans of drained tuna, 1 ripe avocado, 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion, 1/2 cup of chopped tomatoes, and 1/4 cup of chopped celery in a bowl. For extra protein and flavor, add a dollop of plain Greek yogurt or a splash of hot sauce for a kick. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Now mix well to combine all the ingredients. Taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Now here's a pro tip from me. To make your tuna salad stand out, try adding a few capers for a briny flavor or a tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley for a burst of freshness. These simple additions will take your tuna salad to a whole new level of deliciousness. Next, serve the salad on your favorite bread or crackers for a quick and easy lunch. Or use it as a filling for lettuce wraps for a low-carb option. If you want to make your tuna salad extra special, try serving it with a side of fruit salad for a refreshing and nutritious meal. Another great option is to use tuna in sandwiches. Tuna melts are a popular choice because they're cheesy, toasty, and packed with protein. To make a tuna melt, start by combining 2 cans of drained tuna, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper in a bowl. Mix well to combine the ingredients. Now spread the mixture evenly on 2 slices of bread. Top with cheese slices and place the sandwich in a pan over medium heat. Now here's a pro tip from me. To prevent the cheese from drying out while you're cooking the sandwich, place a lid on the pan. This will help trap moisture and keep the cheese from becoming rubbery. Cook the sandwich until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly, about 3 to 5 minutes. Once the sandwich is cooked through, you can serve it as is, or you can take it to the next level with some additional toppings. Try adding tomato slices, lettuce leaves, or even avocado slices for extra flavor and nutrition. You could also serve your tuna melt with a side of tomato soup for a cozy and satisfying meal. For those who prefer something lighter, tuna salad croissants are a delicious alternative. These flaky, buttery pastries are a delightful way to enjoy tuna salad without the heaviness of bread. Simply fill the croissants with your tuna salad and bake them according to the package instructions. Once golden and crispy, serve them warm for a delightful breakfast or brunch option. And for a truly decadent treat, try serving your tuna salad on a bed of mashed sweet potatoes. The creamy sweetness of the sweet potatoes complements the savory tuna perfectly. Plus, it's a fun and unexpected twist on traditional tuna salad. Now let's move on to the world of sushi. If you're a fan of sushi, then you've probably tried tuna rolls. But did you know that you can make tuna rolls at home? It's actually a lot easier than you might think. To make tuna rolls, start by preparing your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of sushi rice, 2 cans of drained tuna, 1/4 cup of sushi vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 sheets of nori seaweed, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of water. Now cook the sushi rice according to the package instructions. While the rice is cooking, combine the tuna, sushi vinegar, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Mix well to combine the ingredients. Lay a sheet of nori on a bamboo sushi rolling mat. Now spread a thin layer of rice on the nori, leaving a small border at the top. Now place half of the tuna mixture near the bottom edge of the rice. Roll the sushi up, starting with the bamboo mat. Now repeat the process with the remaining ingredients. Now slice the rolls into bite-sized pieces and serve with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled onions. And there you have it, delicious homemade tuna rolls. If you want to get fancy, you can even make spicy tuna rolls by adding a pinch of cayenne pepper or sriracha to the tuna mixture before rolling. Finally, for those who love spicy food, tuna poke is a must-try. This Hawaiian dish is made with raw tuna, but you can easily make a cooked version at home. Start by cutting 1 pound of tuna into 1-inch cubes. In a bowl, combine the tuna, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 serrano pepper for heat, 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, and 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro. Mix well to combine the ingredients and let the flavors meld for at least 30 minutes. Serve the poke over a bed of white or brown rice and garnish with additional cilantro and sesame seeds. For an extra protein boost, you can even top your poke with a fried egg. And there you have it, 5 delicious ways to enjoy tuna. From classic tuna salad to the exciting flavors of tuna poke, there's a tuna dish for everyone. So why not add some tuna to your next meal? You'll get a boost of protein without sacrificing flavor or convenience. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!